Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 9 and 10 or SSC candidate. How are you? I think all of you are fine and we all are also fine. You are staying home and pray to Allah for the well-being of the country and countrymen. You know our school is going to be started very soon. This is a good news for you, and whenever we will meet in the classroom, then it will be very pleasure for us. I discussed an important class yesterday. You know, it was Unit 3, lesson 3. Now, today I want to discuss about another topic, that is Unit 3, Lesson 3, International Mother Language. You know, it is a historical event in the history of our country, and it is relevant to our mother tongue. And you know, to establish our mother tongue as a state language, some heroic people laid down their lives for establishing the language. And you know, the Pakistani rulers wanted to establish Urdu as state language, but most of the people of the country could not comply with the subject or Urdu to be the state language of this country. And at last, the Pakistani ruler had to bound to give our demand or fulfill our demand. So now I want to read out the topic, and before reading the topic, you know some word meaning, and I am giving you some important word meaning, just declaration, announcement, climax, peak. Climax means the important or highest position of any situation. যে আমরা যখন বলি যে ঘটনা এখন তুঙ্গে, চরম পর্যায়ে, যেটাকে বলে বাংলায় এবং কথা আমরা বলি জাস্ট দিস ইজ ক্লাইম্যাক্স। হ্যাঁ, যেমন একটা নাটক, একটা গল্প, একটা উপন্যাস, অনেক ঘটনা চরম আকারে যখন ধারণ করে ওই পজিশনটাকে আমরা কিন্তু ক্লাইম্যাক্স বলি। ইগনোর momentum, pace or motion, moment, march, outlaw, illegal. These are the some important word meaning and English word meaning, and you should know Bangla word meaning. Bangla word meaning is important, and then the English word meaning is necessary for increase your vocabulary. So in this regard you should know word meaning, parts of speech, tense, verb, sentence, etc. And following these items you should read any text. I am advising you always to read such way any text. So now I want to read out this text. International Mother Language Day. 21st February is a memorable day in our national history. We observe the day every year as International Mother Language Day. The day is a national holiday. On this day, we pay tribute to the martyrs who laid down their lives to establish Bangla as a state language in undivided Pakistan in 1952. The struggle to achieve our language rights is known as the language movement. The seed of the language movement was sown on 21st March 1948 when Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the Governor General of Pakistan, declared in a public meeting in Dhaka that Urdu would be the only state language of Pakistan. The declaration raised a storm of protest in the eastern part of the country. The protest continued non-stop, gathering momentum day by day. It turned into a movement and reached its climax in 1952. The government outlawed all sorts of public meetings and released to stop it. The students of Dhaka University defied the law and brought out a peaceful protest procession on 21st February 1952. When the procession reached near Dhaka Medical College, the police opened fire on the students, killing Salam, Rafiq, Barkat, Sofiur and Jabbar. As a result, there were mass protests all over the country and the government had declared Bangla as a state language. This kindled the sparks of independence movement of Bangladesh. Here the text is, and after text, you know in the question paper you have to answer MCQ, next CQ questions, CQ 10, MCQ 7, and another item in number 3. This is vocabulary test, and you know there is a passage given from the text, and reading the text you have to answer the vocabs. I am giving you 2 passages on the text International Mother Language Day, and one is I am reading 21st February International Mother Language Day, but it is observed the most for the Bengalis. They lay down their lives for the mother tongue. Then they established Bangla as one of the state languages of Pakistan. This sacrifice led the Bengalis to independence. In other words, language movement was as the possibility of freedom. আমি তোমাদের প্যাসেজটা পড়ার সাথে সাথে কিন্তু আনসারগুলো বলে দিয়েছি এবং আনসারগুলো তোমাদের নিচে আমি লিখে দিয়েছি। And another passage, our language movement is our pride, অহংকার, আমাদের গর্ব। On this day, we pay tribute to our language martyrs, tribute, homage or honor. The UNESCO declared or proclaimed the day as International Mother Language Day on 17 November 1999. The day is observed worldwide to highlight linguistic and cultural diversity and multilingualism. These are the vocabulary passages relevant the text, and another lesson I will discuss it in the next class. You should follow our online classes and Independence Day. So here is okay, and see you again. I think you should stay at home and pray to Allah for yourself, your relatives, your countrymen. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.